angry and mad. The three little pigs saw the wolf that day. They slammed their doors and hid away.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Boy, did the hay house go.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Boy, did the stick house go.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
But the bricks surely did not go.
The wolf was at his wits' end, you see. He climbed on the roof, down the brick chimney. He came with his teeth all bare, bare, bare. So the three little pigs got scared. The third little pig lit a log on fire. The smoke started rising higher and higher.
The wolf burned his hairy tail.
Ow, ow, ow!
Then the wolf ran out of town. The two little piggies of hay and sticks learned a lesson all about work and bricks. A hard-worked job won't fall to a huff or a puff at all. Brush, brush, it's time to brush your teeth.
Yes, 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 I want to brush my teeth.
Good, good, brushing is good for you.
Yay, 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 I like it. Ooh.
See, Teddy likes to brush. 1, 2, 3, almost clean, you see.
Yes, 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 you see I'm older now. Brush, 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 they're all clean, wow.
Bath, bath, time to take a bath.
Yes, 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 I want to take a bath.
Good, good, bath is good for you.
Yay, 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 I like it. Ooh.
See, elephant likes the bath. 1, 2, 3, almost clean, you see.
Yes, 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 you see I'm older now. Splash, 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 we like it, wow.
Pajamas, pajamas, it's time to wear pajamas.
Yes, 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 I want to wear pajamas.
Good, good, pajamas are good for you.
Yay, 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 I like them. Ooh.
See, monkey likes pajamas. 1, 2, 3, almost on, you see.
Yes, 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 I'll put them on right now. Soft, 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 we like them, wow.
Bed, it's time to get in bed.
Yes, 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 I want to get in bed.
Good, good, sleep is good for you.
Yay, 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 I like it. Ooh.
See, Mousy likes the bed. 1, 2, 3, cozy warm
Story, it's time to read a story.
Yes, 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 I want to read a story.
Good, good. The story's fun for you.
Yay, 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 I like it. Ooh.
See, see, Teddy reads the story. 1, 2, 3, almost done, you see.
Yes, 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 the story is all done now. Fun, 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 we like it, wow. Everybody wake up in the morning. Everybody's hungry, I know. Everybody wake up in the morning. It's breakfast time, let's go.
Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Something yummy, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove. Pancakes, bacon and ham. Butter, toast and berry jam. Pancakes, bacon and ham. Butter, toast, berry jam.
Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Something yummy, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove.
Eggs fried sunny side up. Hard boiled in a little teacup. Eggs fried sunny side up. Hard boiled in a cup. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Something yummy, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove. Waffles baked with buttermilk. Yogurt soft and smooth as silk. Waffles baked with buttermilk. Yogurt smooth as silk.
Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Something yummy, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove.
Sausage patties, muffins baked. Yummy fruit salad, coffee cake. Sausage patties, muffins baked. Yummy fruit coffee cake. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Something yummy, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove.
I've got a bottle, where does it go? It's made of plastic, where does it go? I've got a bottle, where
The glass things go in the glass bin. The glass things go in the glass bin. The glass things go in the glass bin. Let's sort out all the trash.
I've got an apple core, where does it go? It's leftover food, so where does it go? I've got an apple core, where does it go? Let's sort out all the trash.
The food scraps go in the compost bin. The food scraps go in the compost bin. The food scraps go in the compost bin.
Let's sort out all the trash.
Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Let's sort out all the trash.
In the summer the ants were a-working, bringing food to their hill every day, while the grasshopper sang in the sunshine. On his fiddle his song he did play. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I will sing all the while neath the sunshine. Neath the moon I will dance, I will play. In the autumn the ants were still working, but the grasshopper still did not care. The ants asked, why don't you store food for winter? When it's cold you'll have no food to spare. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. Above us all there will always be sunshine, and there always will be time to play. Time went by and along came the winter, and the wind gave a cold icy chill. Snow fell down and there was no more sunshine, so the grasshopper went up the hill. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-dee-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I am cold, I am wet, I am hungry, and I'm sorry I played the days away.
In the valley he went to the anthill. He was cold and embarrassed and sad, but the ants told him that he was welcome. Then he thanked them and felt really glad.
Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. And the grasshopper said, in future seasons, work comes first, then I'll have time to play.
One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two Potatoes 3. Potatoes 4. 5. Potatoes 6. Potatoes 7. Potatoes more. 1. Potato 2. Potatoes 3. Potatoes 4. 5. Potato 6. Potato 7. Potatoes more. 1. Potato 2. Potatoes 3. Potatoes 4. 5. Potato 6. Potato 7. Potatoes more. 1. Potato 2. Potatoes 3. Potatoes 4. 5. Potato 6. Potato 7. Potatoes more. 1. Potato 2. Potatoes 3. Potatoes 4. 5. Potato 6. Potato 7. Potatoes more. 'This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning.
This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our shoes, put on our shoes, put on our shoes. This is the way we put on our shoes so early in the morning. Hey! Tomorrow is the first day of school. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I can't wait for the first day of school. What do I need for the first day of school? My sharks! A notebook!
Yeah!
Tomorrow is the first day of school. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I can't wait for the first day of school. What do I need for the first day of school? My balloon! My mommy is the best there ever was. My mommy is the best, and I love her just because. Whenever I am sick or hurt, she gives a great big kiss. She helps me to feel better, and she does it just like this. My mommy is the best there ever was. My mommy is the best, and I love her just because. She takes the time to play with me all my favorite games. Even when she's busy, she loves me just the same.
I love to be your mommy.
Really?
It's true. You fill my life with lots of joy. You are my precious girl and boys.
Really?
It's true. I love you.
My mommy is the best there ever was. My mommy is the best, and I love her just because. Whenever I get hungry, she makes my favorite snacks. She makes them just the way I like. They're great, and that's a fact.
Your mommy is the best there ever was. Your mommy is the best, and I love her just because. She laughs when I am silly and likes to play along. We sing and dance together to all our favorite songs.
I love to be your mommy.
Really?
It's true. You fill my life with lots of joy. You are my precious girl and boys.
Really?
It's true. I love you.
Our mommy is the best there ever was. Our mommy is the best, and we love her just because. She always takes good care of us, and she should be a queen. She's the greatest mommy that we have ever seen. She's the greatest mommy that we have ever seen.